Students, in this tutorial what we are going to do is, we are going to write the code for our project. So, select the code block and select the when I'll click the green flag, what I want is, I want to hide my images. So I'll select the hide option from the toolbox, and then what I want is, I have to set the size to at least, let's say 30%, and select the block of set my variable to 1. Okay, what we have done here is, when I'll press or when I'll click the green flag, hide all the images and then set size to 30% of my screen and set my variable. What my variable is actually the images which I'm going to put. So select my variable as 1. One by one the images will glide. Now let's create the another block. So select here, when I start as a clone, what we have to do is, we have to switch the costume to my variable. And what I have to do is, so my variable is the image. Now what I have to do is, when it will switch to my variable, that is my image, I have to select the x and y coordinates, and then what I have to do is, I have to show that image and then I have to go to front layer. Here I'll upload the x and y coordinate as, say 10, and here minus 140, etc. You can write any of the coordinate. Now what I have done is, I have set the beginning of the code, like when my image will appear, it will perform this activity. Now what I have to do is, I have to state the conditions so that if the recognized image is a cow, it should move to left side or it should glide to left side, and if the recognized image is a ship, it should glide to right side. So let's create those conditions using the control block. And what I am using is an if then else block. I'll state the condition using the operator. I'll use an equals to operator and use the machine learning model block as recognize the image as, if it's a cow, let's say, so firstly it will recognize my costume image. If the image is of cow, what it have to do is, it have to glide it to the left side. I'll select the motion block and I'll make it glide, and if it's not, let's say not a cow, then it should glide to right side. Now what I have to do is, I have to select some random positions. So let's pick the random coordinates for my x and y position of the images. And let's select the coordinates as, for my x-axis, I am selecting the negative coordinate. For y-axis, I am selecting the positive coordinate. Here again positive. And y coordinate, I am putting the same range. Now what I have to do is, I'll again select the control panel from the toolbox, and from here I'll select an if-then block. I'll state a reason. First let's put the condition. So in the if-then block, I am using an operator of less than, and here what I want is, if my variable is less than, let's say 12 images, what it will do is, it will change my variable by 1 and create a clone again. Okay, so let us revise this code and then we'll perform this activity. What I have done is, when I'll start as a clone of my images, I'll switch the costume to my variable. What is my variable here is the multiple sets of images. It will go to some random position of x and y coordinate, and then there are two conditions, that if the recognized image by the computer is cow, it will glide the image to left side from a random coordinate of x-axis. And if the condition is false, it will glide the image to the right side, so with some random coordinate. Now, again I have used the if block. It's stating that if my variable is less than 12, that it will again change my variable by 1, that is, images will be repeatedly coming until the images range is completed. So, now let's test the conditions. What I have to do is, click the green flag, and you can see, let me full screen it. So what you can see here is, the images are categorized into two parts and the variables is changing as per my images. The ship images is categorized into right side and the cow images are categorized into left side. So, you have successfully trained your ML model of your machine to recognize the images of the animals you chose. In my case, I chose the cow and the sheep. Now, try to count down how many images your computer is successfully putting the right side. If your computer is not going so good, you can use more images in the examples of your training step. Now, in the next video, we are going to learn what is this concept based in this machine learning model, why we are using this concept, and what we can further do in this project.